Okay, hello, this is some unboxing of my new Grenson triple welt shoes. And I would open it with my trusty kitchen knife and see what it offers. There you go. There it is. It says, well, the triple welt. So because this is will be a raw unedited film, so excuse the camera movement, and you'll see what's inside. And there you go. This is the box. I'll set it aside and we'll see the difference here. There you are. And opening it, and of course there is the price, and I'd like you to know one of the strategic thing you might want to consider is have it delivered in your place of work, so it's easier for you to retrieve it. Look at this, it comes with two sacks for safekeeping, I guess. There you are, and let's see. Drum roll, please. And here we are. Voila. And here how it looks like. Look at that broguing. Strong brogue. Triple. 1, 2, 3. There you are. And look at that, handsome shoes. And I opted for the rubber rather than the traditional leather. There it is. Let's look at from with a good light here. See, I'm wearing my my single leather R.M. Williams, and let's look at this. Wow, look at that. Not bad at all. It is as good as this picture in the web. Oh, this will be nice. Okay, I'll get you some more once I put it on. Let's try it on. And let's see how it fits like. It's kind of big, it's more attuned for big, flat shoes. Okay, let's try this. See, this is my chini brogue, and it's made out of a leather. See, you can still see the price here. There it is. What, 285 British pounds, and this is, well, including the delivery, it's 295. Let's see how it feels. Oh, I'm liking it already. Look at that. Nice. Oh, just have a little bit of room. They say that a good shoe must be able, a good fit must be able to have one finger inserted there, and it means you are good to go. You'll be as comfortable as you can be in the whole day, and yeah, look at that. So I'd say it's a good shoes. Thank you, Grenson. I think I made myself a good purchase. No buyer's remorse here. That's all for now.